guys, Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. BeCozi.net and BeCozi.com is American website with the biggest collection of chunky yarn for hand knitting. Today I will be using our beautiful jumbo chenille yarn in gray taupe and ivory. This yarn is available only on our website. Don't run to the store. They do not carry it because I custom created it. You can buy it on BeCozi.net or BeCozi.com. I will put a link underneath the video. I will also put a link underneath for a DIY kit. For this guy, you can buy DIY kit. It will come with everything you need to make this cute hippo. So this one is made with light lavender, this one gray taupe. It's a little bit bigger, if you can see. I used a few more rows and I used more stuffing on this guy. So if you have your yarn ready, let's get started.